Have you ever thought about what it must be like for dogs to experience Christmas lights? I mean, I know they might not see all the colors like we do, but I think the twinkling and the brightness, I think it's just a whole different kind of magic for them. My Dante loves going on car rides, so being in the car is fun anyway. But I definitely wanted him to experience Christmas lights. I don't know if he ever did before. I don't know where he came from. I imagine they weren't really concerned. But this is my baby, and so I wanted him to see what these look like. So on Vlogmas Day number 16, I took Dante to a local park so we could drive through and he could watch the Christmas lights. For dogs, I know they don't see what we see, but I think it's a sensory experience. And the lights kind of give them something new to see and spark their curiosity. And he seemed to really be enjoying it, just hanging his head out the window. And I love that for him. So we just drove along slowly through the park so he could see it. And I don't think it was just fun for him. It was definitely fun for me. I mean, the ultimate enrichment experience for him, wrapped up in a little bit of holiday magic, because I love a Christmas light. So if you've never taken your dog to see the lights, I think you should let this be a sign to do it, because it's not just for them. You're allowing them to see this, maybe sometimes for the first time too. And I think it's an experience we'll remember, because I have to tell you, I had a special kind of joy just watching him hang his head out the window and follow all the lights as they went by. It made it special and it made it wonderful for me too. So that's it for today's very short Vlogmas, guys. Thank you for coming along with me and Dante as we enjoy the lights. We'll see you tomorrow. And don't forget to make time for the simple joys, especially with your fur babies. Bye.